What's going on, beautiful people? What's going on? It is your boy Nico. Welcome back to my channel. Excuse me, wait. I lost a little bit of weight. Everybody's been asking. Yes, I did. I lost about like 5 pounds. No, I'm just kidding. For real, I did lose a little bit of weight. So we're gonna go hit up a couple of stores. We're gonna hit up Celine, Saint Laurent, and a couple of other stores to go see what type of designer jeans I can find to fit my body. I think this video is gonna be helpful for a lot of guys out there who is not the typical, model for these brands. I'm in Saint Laurent now, and we're gonna try on a couple pairs of denims. I'm gonna try to explain each one to you, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try them on, just so you guys can understand it better. So first up, we have this pair. These are DO2, and this is the information on it. So apparently the DO2s are going to be discontinued and they're going to be replaced by the DO3s. So let me show you the DO3s that I have. I have these DO3s. This is a size 32. This is this one, this information, and this is the tag on that one. And then these are also DO3 in a size 31. So this is the black one. So let me get this tag for you. And these two are the same, but this is in a 32 and this is in a 31. So let's go ahead and try them on. And this is my outfit, by the way. This is what I decided to wear, but I'll definitely do a better outfit of the day video later. But let's go try some denims on right now. So apparently, guys, I didn't lose any weight. These jeans are still too small. This is a size 32 skinny in Saint Laurent, and let's have a face to face. They're not fitting, as you can see. So let's go for a different cut to see if they fit. Maybe it's this one, because I know these ones are more comfortable. So I'm gonna go up a size. I'm gonna go size 33, because if these 32s cannot fit those 31s, then definitely not gonna fit. So hold on one second, let me ask you for another size. So here we are with take number 2. I went up in all of the sizes in the denims. I used to feel discouraged when I used to be, oh my goodness, I'm this size, but don't feel discouraged just because a lot of these designers are making the clothing smaller. So don't feel like, oh man, I lost weight, but it's not being portrayed in clothing. Just wear what makes you feel good. So I got these, the same ones, this one if you guys want to know, in a 30, what is it, 3? This is in a 33. And then I got these in a 33 as well, these black ones. So just in case you guys want the information, and I also got the crop ones in the 34, but I'm not really feeling the crop ones, so I'm gonna try these on and you guys are gonna see how it fits. So these are the black ones. They fit really well. So they go up in the thigh area, just because you guys know I have like bigger quads and bigger, but whatever. These are in size 33. Now the waist is big, but I don't mind that. My goal is to make sure the thighs and the butt part fits, and then I can go to the tailor and take it in. So. These fit, I don't like the fit. I'm very particular in my blue jeans, and I think that they always make me look bigger than I actually am. Again, that could just be my complex. I don't know if you guys feel like that, but I think the blue jeans make me look bigger. I like darker colored jeans, but these fit, but I don't like the fit, so I don't like the long crotch area. That's one. Because it's supposed to be low-waisted, so there's no way it's supposed to rise up. I don't like how it's cutting this off, making it one and then two. Yeah, no. These are a no. So let's have a comment right down below. I'm curious to see what you guys think fits me the best from Saint Laurent, but I want to try to leave all of the information of all of the jeans that I tried down in the description box down below. The atmosphere is just a little low. The energy is really, really low. When we were in Saint Laurent, everybody was just like, "Yo, what's going on?" Like, hello, like, hi. And everybody in Celine is just like. Before we even walked in, the door was locked, and I'm just like, to the security guard, "Can we come in?" And he's looking at me and said nothing and unlocked the door and then locked the door. But anyway, let's not talk about that. Let's talk about what we are going to try on. I have this type of safari denim shirt with the type of, it looks like a cotton twill material with the double-breasted pockets. And let me show you the tag just so you guys can see all information. That's the information on it. And then I got these pair of jeans, and here's the information on these if you guys are interested. And again, I want to leave everything down in the description box if I can find it anyway. So let's try these on. I think these are going to be too big. I got a size 34 because I don't know how Celine fits, but let's see it together. Yeah, you can open it. Look how big these jeans fit. Yeah. They are boxy. They fit too big. They're too big. They're just too square and boxy. I don't like how they fit, so these are a no. These are a hell no. So this is how the shirt fits. It's kind of tight in the arm part. Clearly, I've been working out. Where am I going? But this is how it fits. Oh my god, I don't even think I told you guys that I cut my hair, but yep, I did. So right now I'm in Bergdorf Goodman, and let me show you a couple of like different designer jeans I'm gonna try on. You probably already saw Saint Laurent and you definitely saw Celine. So right now, since we're in a department store, I got a bunch of different branded jeans, all in a size 34, just because I know that's my starting point. And then if anything, we can go down and then we'll figure it out. So here they go. So this one is a pair of Gucci's, and then this is the detail that it comes with, and this is in this blue. The next one are these pair of Balenciaga jeans in a black, and then like I said, it's just this black one, and last but not least is these pair of Amiris. Not really feeling that stuff, definitely feeling this one, and I'm gonna see if this one fits. So let's give it a shot. So this is the Amiri stack. This is in a size 34, like, and it's kind of big as well. It's very big just because it's so stretchy. These fit really well, but I just think it's because it's probably 98% cotton, 2% spandex, so it's like really molds to your body. And this is how the bottom looks. I would try this in a size 32, but it fits really good. Let me try it on. These two now, which is like, am I wasting my time trying that on, and do I need a pair of these? So I don't know. So, look at this. Okay. So the number one rule when looking for designer denims, I think that you should always find a denim with some type of like 98%, 2%, or 99, 1%. Because that 1% or 2% in spandex really helps pulls up the jeans and makes it mold to your body. Like when it's something so stiff like these pair of jeans that I'm about to show you, it's just not good. Like, let me show you. But look at these Balenciaga. They're in size 34 now. They don't even want to go all the way up. They don't want to button. And it's still like hanging off. Like the whole crack would be out right now. But so these are not good. I don't even like how they look. Like, look at this. This makes no sense. And look at the bottom, like, nah, bro. Nah. So, the same thing goes for these Gucci pants. Like, look at them. They don't even want to go up. I know it's TMI, but don't want to go up. This is stupid. But these things are removable. So, keep that in mind, but no. I'm actually want to show you guys my outfit of the day, so let me show you guys that now. So this is the outfit of the day. I have this J. Crew cashmere beanie on. I have the E. Solomon coat. I took out the fur inside because it's not that cold. I have on this Hermes scarf, this Acne Studios hoodie, Alexander Wang t-shirt, Joe's jeans, my Jordan 1s, Nike, whatever, I don't know. This G-Eazy little tote bag, and that's about it. So that's the outfit of the day. So you guys, I just got back home not too long ago and I wanted to conclude the video. Basically, the information that I told you before was, you know, to buy a bigger pair and then go to the tailor. I just think that that was wrong. Basically, I think that you should buy your size that fits your waist. So now my waist is a 32, sometimes a 31. I have a really small waist and I'm going to get the 32. They didn't have it in St. Laurent, so they're going to order it for me and then I'm going to go back to the store and get it. You should get that size that fits your waist because it's only going to stretch out to fit your body. Now, if you get a size 34, like I was saying, that fits in the thigh part and the butt part, then it's only going to stretch to be bigger and then it's going to be swallowing you and then you're not going to like it and you're not going to wear it. So always get the size that fits your waist versus the size that doesn't fit your waist, just so you guys have room for it to mold to your body. The Amiri ones, they didn't have a size 32 in them. Celine, I think I should go back into Celine and try on more sizes and different types of denim. In Bergdorf Goodman, as you saw, the Gucci's did not fit. Balenciaga did not fit. Again, get that 98-2 from cotton to elastane / spandex ratio. That's going to help you out. And let me know down in the comment section down below, do you guys want there to be a part 3? Do you want me to, you know, try on other designer brands? Do you want me to stick to mainstream? Do you want me to do contemporary? Do you want me to, you know, just stick to designers? Just let me know that down in the comment section down below. But I think that's about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you beautiful people have an amazing day. Bye.